Handling sales, stock, and accounting inside of a shop should be easy and fast. Odoo POS is the solution you've always been looking for. The easy-to-use interface allows you to serve multiple customers at the same time. Use the barcode scanner to apply discounts, recognize loyalty cards, or, for the most crucial action in a shop, get the price of a product. Of course, Odoo also comes with credit card payments and invoicing with its accounting integration. But what happens if two of your shops sell the same product at the same time? No need to worry about that thanks to Odoo's complete inventory integrations. As soon as a product is sold, the inventory level is updated, indicating product availability in real time. POS are not just shops. Odoo also includes features specifically designed for restaurants and bar management. Create your tables and move them to fit your real restaurant map. Process orders, connect printers, send orders to the kitchen, split the bills, and more. Odoo POS has even more to show you, including how to handle refunds, track warranty, schedule deliveries, add promotions, and customize your products. Afraid of speaking numbers with your accountant? Odoo is the solution. With the integration with the accounting module, your accountant knows in real time what's been sold. Odoo POS works online and offline. Everything is recorded on your devices and will be synchronized again when you reconnect. Do you have specific devices? Don't worry, with our IoT box, everything can be connected seamlessly. Start using Odoo POS now and grow your business with Odoo.